welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some falafel. So let's begin. I have got 400 grams of chickpeas which I've soaked overnight, and they double in size once you've soaked them. So let's begin. I'm going to take my chickpeas and blitz them. Now that this has been blitzed, I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients. I've got some chilies, got some coriander, and I've got some parsley. I've got some cumin, some baking soda, some black pepper, some paprika, some salt, and last but not least, some garlic. I'm now going to grind everything together. We're now going to just give it a little mix. Now, going to add in some gram flour so that when we fry it, this is all combined perfectly. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for an hour. So now that these have been refrigerated, I'm going to shape them into small balls so that we can fry them. I have now preheated the oil so I can fry my falafels now. are now fried. I'm going to fry the rest of my batch. I saved the rest of the batch for later. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell for more videos like this. Hope you enjoyed the falafel. Bye!